care of it pretty well. You know, it's sitting out here. Cobra front brakes. Yeah, okay, the front brakes. Rears are original size, but the fronts are definitely a bigger brake. But no, I don't see any body damage. It's pretty good. Alright. Huh. Very nice. Thing looks really good. It's got the mock stereos in it. Back seats in really good shape. Floors look pretty good. Alright. There we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And if you might be interested in it, see, contact Steve at that number. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next I Spy Mustang. And just an added, it hasn't been on the road since 2012. It hasn't inspected since 2011.